Toyota Tacoma has long been one of the most popular midsize pickup trucks in the market. With its rugged design, off-road capabilities, and strong reliability, it has built a loyal fan base over the years. In today's video on Auto Garage, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the Toyota Tacoma such a standout truck, and why it remains a top choice for truck enthusiasts. The Tacoma is available in multiple trims, each catering to different driving needs. From the base SR model to the top-of-the-line TRD Pro, there's a Tacoma for everyone, whether you're looking for a reliable work truck or an off-road beast. The Tacoma's design is bold and aggressive, featuring a muscular front grille, LED headlights, and a tough stance that immediately signals its capability. The truck sits high off the ground, giving it excellent ground clearance, which is a major advantage for off-roading. Under the hood, the Tacoma offers different powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.7-liter four-cylinder that produces 159 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque. While this engine is efficient, most buyers prefer the available 3.5-liter V6, which delivers 278 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque. This V6 engine provides a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city driving and off-road adventures. The Tacoma comes with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers the option to choose based on their driving preferences. One of the biggest selling points of the Tacoma is its off-road capability. The TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro trims are specifically designed for tackling rough terrain. These models come with features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential, which help the truck navigate challenging conditions with ease. The TRD Pro takes it even further with Fox shocks, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it one of the most capable off-road trucks in its class. Whether you're driving through mud, sand, or rocky trails, the Tacoma is built to handle it all. Inside the cabin, the Tacoma blends practicality with modern technology. The interior is designed to be durable, with high-quality materials that can withstand tough use. The seats are comfortable, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. The infotainment system is user-friendly, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. This allows drivers to stay connected on the go while accessing navigation, music, and hands-free calling. For those who need a truck for work, the Tacoma offers a solid towing and payload capacity. When equipped with the V6 engine and the available tow package, the Tacoma can tow up to 6,800 pounds. This makes it a great option for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy equipment. The truck bed is also well designed, featuring a composite liner that prevents rust and damage, as well as multiple tie-down points to secure cargo. Safety is another area where the Tacoma shines. Toyota includes its Safety Sense P suite of driver assist features as standard across all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. These features provide an extra layer of protection, making the Tacoma not just a tough truck, but also a safe one. Despite its many strengths, the Tacoma does have some drawbacks. The ride can feel a bit stiff, especially on rough roads, and the fuel economy isn't the best in its class. However, these minor issues are often overlooked by buyers who appreciate the truck's durability, off-road prowess, and resale value. In fact, the Tacoma has one of the highest resale values in the pickup truck segment, making it a smart investment for those looking for a long-term vehicle. The Toyota Tacoma continues to be a top contender in the midsize truck market. Whether you need a reliable daily driver, a capable work truck, or an off-road warrior, the Tacoma has something to offer. With its rugged design, powerful engine options, and advanced technology, it's easy to see why so many truck lovers choose the Tacoma year after year. That's it for today's video on Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more car and truck content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Toyota Tacoma, and if it's a truck you'd consider owning. Stay tuned for more automotive reviews and updates, and we'll see you in the next video.